I wanted to get this out to you as soon as possible because there's some major changes coming up in the real estate industry because of the NAR settlement. So first things first, most of the country is going to have until August 17th in order to roll all of these things out. But our company, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, is planning to launch this on August 15th. So there's going to be some drastic changes according to the NAR. So take a look at this video with some highlights. But basically, I want to tell you the main gist of it. MLS participants, in order to help the consumer, so this is great for you folks, must clearly state in the listing agreement that all commissions are negotiable.
First, the settlement practice changes require MLS participants working with sellers to disclose in the listing agreement using conspicuous language that broker commissions are not set by law and are fully negotiable.
Number 2, seller approval for broker payments. Any payment or offer of payment from the listing broker to any broker has to be approved by the seller and approved in writing. So not only is it disclosed, but approved by writing.
Realtors and MLS participants acting for sellers must conspicuously disclose to sellers and obtain seller approval for any payment or offer of payment that a listing broker will make to another broker, agent, or other representative acting for a buyer, and specify the amount or rate of such payment.